Hey, it's Amanda Walsh, and I'm a Star Diamond Beachbody coach. And this tutorial today is going to be on Hootsuite, on how to use Hootsuite to simplify your life. It is such a lifesaver when you are scheduling posts for your challenge groups as a coach. So I'm going to switch over so you can see my screen. So give me 1 second, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now you can see my screen. I'm already signed into Hootsuite. One thing that I need to do first is add my group. So the first thing I need to do is add my challenge group to Hootsuite. So I'm going to come up here to the little owl up in the left-hand corner, and I am going to scroll down where it says My Social Networks. You're going to click Add a Social Network. You're then going to choose Facebook, and you're going to click Connect with Facebook. It'll then ask for your Facebook password. So you're signing into Facebook. This can be used for other social media tools, but I primarily use it for my Facebook challenge groups. So then I can add one of my groups here. I'm just going to add a random one here because I have all the ones that I'm running right now going. So just to add this 5-day sneak peek, I just click here on it. Notice that it's going to change now to a check mark instead of a plus sign. And then I click Finished Importing. And now it's imported here with all my other groups. So then I'm ready to schedule a post. So to schedule posts, up here, you will see all of your groups or all of your different social networks linked here. So I can post to my regular wall, I can post to one of these groups, I can post to my Facebook page, Amanda Lynn Fit. If I click on the pin, so say I'm going to be scheduling a bunch of posts for like an entire 3-week group, I might click on the pin next to it. So it's always going to select that. So it's going to have that selected all the time. So it's until you unclick it. Okay, so actually I don't want this one, so let me unclick that. So right now I'm only, notice it's blue where all the other ones are white. So this post is going to go to the 5-day sneak peek. Then I compose my message over here. Many times I'm copying and pasting from a template that I already have. So I'm just going to type test. You can add links, you can add attachments or files. You can add a location. I haven't used those much. You do have privacy options if you wanted to change your privacy. But the main one here is this scheduling. This is the key piece. So I click on scheduling and it brings me up a calendar. So I can say that I want this to post on September 21st, for example, at 5:10 a.m. You can have it even email you when the message is sent. They do have a bulk message uploader. I've never personally used it, but that is definitely possible. And this is something new, which is awesome, is that you can save this as a draft. So you can go back and republish it again, because I know a lot of us reuse posts for different challenge groups that we're running. So this is key. So I can save this as a draft. And then I have to actually go back in and actually schedule it this time. So you can't schedule and save as draft at the same time. But it's okay. You just copy and paste it and do it twice. Not a biggie. So again, scheduling this for September 21st at 5:15 a.m. And then I would just click schedule. If you don't want it to schedule and you want it to go right away, then you just don't click schedule. You can have it auto schedule. Again, I've never used that, but if you were using Hootsuite all the time, it would kind of get used to when you generally would post things and it would auto schedule it for you. But again, I don't generally use that. And then that is how you would schedule all of your posts. And then let's say you need to go in and you need to edit something, because that has happened to me and I was like, where do I do that? So if you go to the publisher, I can see everything that's scheduled. I currently don't have anything scheduled right now, but I can go to past scheduled, And I can go back. I don't know where. There's one, for example. So here's my message sent at. You can just see it so that I can copy and paste this again. If you have one that's scheduled, you can go in and edit it, change the date and time. You can edit the message if you need to. Here's my draft. So it would look kind of like this. So when you scroll over it, you would click on the pencil to edit it. You can click on the X to delete it if you made a mistake. If you accidentally put it to the wrong group, you can fix that right here and just put it in the right group, change the date, etc. So hopefully this Hootsuite tutorial was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.